Now it's your turn.
And the
forest lived
a big bad wolf.
a big bad wolf. Uh-oh. My turn. Wolf. Your turn.
No, wait, let me spell. Let's spell. No, go back. Hey. Who is the wolf?
Right
Hey,
here.
this one, the wolf.
The wolf is.
Wolf.
Oh, the word? Right here.
Okay.
He is a what? Oh, do I need to scoot it over? Do you need more room? Should I scoot it over? Okay, I'll scoot it over.
Wait.
Right up here is the next one.
Okay. Playlist. Oh, shit.
Mm-hmm. You're getting good at this.
Again.
He is a wolf. Good job.
He's not a wolf. Okay, done.
Uh-oh.
What?
Something's out of order. It's mixed up. Little Red Riding Hood walked in the woods. Little Red Riding Hood saw the wolf in Grandma's bed. Little Red Riding Hood talked to the wolf, and the woodcutter saved Red and Grandma.
That's right.
Which one goes first?
This one?
It says Red Riding Hood talked to the wolf. When did that happen?
No, I did this one.
That one's first? The woodcutter saved Red and Grandma.
That's fourth.
That's fourth. You're right. So this one is where it belongs.
It's this one.
Ah, yes, that is number 3. And yes. There you go. Okay, now you have to read it.
No!
Yes.
And do one by one.
One by one.
You do it.
Okay, I'll do the first one. Red Riding Hood walked in the woods.
Red. What's that?
Riding
Riding Hood